Hello, YouTube. It's us again. We're since we're not doing any work in here, it's too cold. We're doing a gum video. So take them away, gummy bear.
This side is the gum that I don't like. This is gum that I like.
There, let me lower this thing. Okay, which one do you like?
I don't know. I did not try this one. Put it over here for now.
Okay, put it there. There's, you can see it. That one's good. I like it.
Put this one on this side.
Let me try this one. This one is tropical mist.
Tropical mist.
Yeah, it's got like a tropical flavor.
Try it. See what it tastes like. Ow! Ow! It hurts. Let's try this one. Why is it coming out?
Tricky.
Come out! What are you doing?
What are you doing? None.
Raw hard.
Pina colada, was it good? What else? Here, it's freezing here. Do you like this one? Okay, so you don't like the pina colada. There, throw it in there. Get it in the bucket. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't like the cinnamon. Hurry up.
Try.
Are you going to try them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Weirdo. 10 minutes. Just try one at a time. We don't waste all of them.
I am trying one at a time.
Let me get the bucket here. Is it good? Tell us your favorite. What's it taste like? What's it do to you? Does it make you go, or is it just like this? That one's good? Okay, next. Right now I'm trying, I don't know what the hell, tropical mist. This one you just tried is strawberry lemonade. I like that one. Do you like it? Okay. What else? Trying that one? You like that one?
Have I tried this one before?
I think so. Somebody likes all those and doesn't like these. Did you try this one?
No.
Try that one. You like this one, cherry limeade? Cherry limeade. There's a lime in the coconut in the lime. Don't give me singing. Is it good? Just put it in your mouth and chew it. Nom, nom, nom. Work? Is it good? Do, 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 do. Hurry up, I'm freezing. My noodles are cold. One last one. Kiwi. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. No. Ooh, wrong way. Open this side. There. No. Up, up, and away. What are you making weird? Let me open it for you.
Hurts.
All right, you look to see. Yeah, not like 40. How much gum do you have in your mouth? It's got like a beaver. Yep. They're good. So you don't like these two? Okay. Well, folks, there you have it. She likes all those. You don't like these ones. I don't mind this one. This one I can't stand. Pina colada is the worst. Ready to go?
Do not buy that gum.
Yeah, this one's terrible. This one is good for old people. So, thanks for watching. What do you say?
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, comment, slam the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button. Yeah, smash it. Smash. Okay, ready? Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia. Bye.
Bye.